Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. So we have started the chapter crop production and management, and yesterday we have done crop, kharif crops, rabi crops, and the steps of crop production. I think so, we have covered two steps: the preparation of the soil and the sowing. So there are remaining steps. We will do it today. So next step is the adding manure and fertilizers. So let's start the adding manure and fertilizers. Adding manure and fertilizers means what is, first of all, what is manure or what is fertilizer? The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are known as the manure and fertilizers. Means if we are growing a crop in a field, so repeating growing of the crop in the same field removes a lot of precious minerals and elements. But if we are adding some substances, or you can say that we are adding the nutrients out from the outside, that is healthy for the plants, these are known as the manure and fertilizers. So here there is a difference between the manure and fertilizers also. So we'll study about the manure and fertilizers also. First of all, I would like to share some points of manure. That manure is a very good organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. Means if there are so many types of waste, plants scraps also, dead plants also, dead body of the animals also, any type of the animal or plant waste, this is decomposed into the soil only, and they can become the manure, which is very good for the crop because it's a natural, there is no chemical and all. So farmers dump plant and animals waste in pits at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms, and the decomposed matter is used as organic manure. I think so you have done this thing, the decomposition and decomposed, in the previous classes also. Clear? So let's discuss about the don't waste the time. Without wasting the time, we are using that differences between the fertilizers and the manure. So what is the first difference between the manure and the fertilizer? Manure is a natural substance, as I told you, that it is obtained in the field also, and it is obtained by the decomposition of animal waste like cow dung, human waste, and animal residue. Clear? We have discussed it. And a fertilizer is a salt or an organic compound, means it is a type of chemicals, means with the help of the chemicals we are using the fertilizers. Next, manure can be prepared in the fields and fertilizers are prepared in the factories. A lot of differences there, because for the fertilization, for the fertilizer production, we need the factory, or we need some different place for the production of the fertilizers. But for the manure production, we doesn't require any type of factory or any separate place. Okay, next is a manure provide a lot of organic matter like humus to the soil, means it's a good for the soil. Humus means dead organic matter. And a fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, means fertilizers are made up from the chemical substances. These differences is given in your book also, that is the table 1.1, and you will write these differences in your notebook, the differences between the manure and fertilizers. It is very 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 important differences. Clear? And in the previous lecture I told you now the difference between the rabi crops and the kharif crops, as well as the differences between the manure and fertilizers. So there are some advantages also of the manure over the fertilizers. So what are the advantages of the manure? The organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers. Why? How you can tell that ki manures are better than the fertilizers? The question arises here. I'll tell you. So because manure enhances the water holding capacity of the soil, as well as it improves the texture of the soil also. Means soil becomes very loose and very soft, and it makes the soil porous due to which exchange of gases become easy. Means if you are using the manure, then there is the easy way to exchange of gases in between the upper layer and the middle or the inner layer of the soil, and it increases the number of friendly microbes also. Friendly microbes, for example, earthworms. Earthworms are the friendly microbes, means these are also known as the friends of farmers. Okay, next is the irrigation. Next step is the irrigation. Irrigation means watering to or supply the water to the crops at regular intervals of time. Regular intervals of time means it depends upon the type of the crops, that ki how much time they need for the water or how much amount they need for the water. So for irrigation, all the crops plants need water for their growth. So means supplying of water to the crops is known as the irrigation. It depends upon the time also and frequency also. It varies to crop, that which type of crop is there. So therefore, necessary to supply water to the crop plants in the field periodically. Periodically means time to time. And the process of supplying water to crops plants in the field is called irrigation. Irrigation requirement Irrigation requirement of crops depends upon the nature of the crops, nature of the soil, and season. Means it depends that which type of season is there, which type of soil is there, and which type of crop is there. It depends upon the type of these things, that how much amount of water they require. Sources of irrigation, there are so many sources of irrigation also. Sources of irrigation are river, canals, wells, tube wells, dams, ponds and lakes also. These are ponds and lakes also. So there are two traditional method also and the modern method also for the irrigation. Traditional method, in this traditional method the moat, dhekli, rahat and chain pump system is there, and in the modern system sprinkler and drip system will be there. So we'll discuss this sprinkler and drip system by tomorrow. And for today, you have to write down the differences between fertilizers and manures. Rest will continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you.